This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
I am here today with Jimmy at O'Brien Service Company, a locally owned and operated business since 1981. And we are talking about how to prepare your heating and air conditioning system from extreme temperatures and weather. Jimmy, what do business and homeowners need to know about preparing?
Well, this time of the year, they should be thinking about maintenance. What they could do around for themselves is make sure they're changing their filters monthly and also keeping debris away from the outdoor unit. And the more importantly is just getting a service performed on the system.
What do people need to know if their system is not keeping up with extreme temperatures?
That's a common question we get during the summer months. Today's systems are designed by North Carolina State Code to maintain 75 degrees temperature indoor when it's 92 outside. And in the winter months, it's 70 degree indoor, 26 degree outdoor. So if those temperatures go above or below those set outside temperatures, that's when you need to adjust your temperature. And for example, say it's 98 degrees out, I would adjust my temperature at least 20 degrees difference from the outdoor temperature.
Any tips when it comes to power outages?
Power outages can be very stressful. Best thing to do is when the storm's coming, shut the breaker off for the system. Basically, there's 2 breakers normally for a heat pump system, for one heat pump system. Once the power is restored, turn the breaker on, and if you think you're having issues, just call us, schedule a demand call.
How can O'Brien Service Company help?
Check out our website and learn more about our Energy Savings Club membership.
For more details, go to HomePros on WECT.com.